Hey guys, so a lot of people kind of ask how I have a full-time job as well as upload YouTube videos every day, so why will you focus? Anyway, look, I'm so ugly that my camera is like, ew, I'm not focusing on you, but so I just wanted to show you guys like a day in my life where I go to work as well. So today is Wednesday, it's currently 6:50 I think. What's the time? 6:50, so I'm just about to get dressed, and yeah, so every morning is pretty much the same. I get dressed, get ready for work, take this girl out, she's playing, don't play with that because you can choke. I'm worried about taking her out today because it's raining and I hate when it rains for my little girl. There was a storm last night with thunder and lightning and stuff, so she was really upset. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna get dressed, take her out, and then yeah, we head to work. Alright, so we're in the car now, ready for driving to work. We're a bit late today. It's a month.
Because of you?
Oh, it's ready to go. Anyway,
did you give us she's a little bitty.
I've got my iced
all
coffee.
All of the cushions wet.
Yeah, so I moved them and gave her a new blanket, a new drop sheet. I've still got my iced coffee because that's still the most important thing of the day. So yeah, I'll update you when we're at work. So we're at work now. This is my mom. She's actually my manager, which is very cool. Say hello. So I'm just about to start my work. Today I'm going to be working on the Facebook page for our practice. And I think Mum's
over there.
Okay, and I think my mum's going to teach me some other stuff too. So a big thing people ask me is like how I manage to work and also upload every day. At the moment I'm doing double uploads and I am going to do them for the rest of the year. Last night I managed my time really badly and also I had a really bad headache. So this is something I haven't done in months. I used to edit my videos on my lunch break and stuff. But usually like my time management is a little bit better, but unfortunately because I felt had such a bad headache and stuff last night, I didn't get to edit my video for today, and I also only filmed one, so unfortunately today is only going to be one upload. But this is something I will edit on my lunch break, so there is always kind of like that extra time there. I don't like to rely on that because, you know, it's not always that I'll have time to sit down and edit on my lunch break. Sometimes it's more of a touch and go kind of situation. But I think today's going to be a little bit less hectic, so it should be fine. But yeah, sometimes I do edit on my lunch break, and today that is what I'll be doing. Alright, so I just finished editing my video, and then it's just exporting now, and I'm going to upload it soon. But yeah, I just had a work meeting and stuff. I can't really show you much of my work because, you know, but I will show you a sneak peek of this. This came in yesterday when I was off, which is some more giveaway stuff. I'm really excited. All of my parcels get delivered to my work because I get here a bit faster. So yeah, but here is a little bit of a sneak peek of what's coming up. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I get for lunch in a minute. But yeah, I'm just having some lunch now. Got some goiza, whatever that's called, the sauce. It's really nice. I don't know what it's called though. And some wasabi and a Coke. So yeah, this is my lunch. This is pretty standard for lunch at work. We usually get like sushi or something, so yeah. I just got home and Tilly is in trouble because she got off her harness. What did you do? What did you do? And this is what she's done for the day. Oh, I'm so mad at you. What did you do? Naughty girl, look what you've done. Oh my god. She has a dog run, so that's where she stays in the day. And she hasn't gotten off for ages, for like a good couple months. But obviously, today she did. Didn't you? Naughty girl. So I'm gonna have to clean it up. But I got home early today, which is good. I finished work a little bit early. I think I'm gonna have a bit of a rest and then I'm gonna get into filming. This is Muffy. Oh, I'm just so mad at her. But anyway, I'll clean that up now and then, yeah, have a rest. Okay, I just made myself a milkshake and got some burger rings. And we're gonna have a little bit of a nap and a rest and a relax. We didn't sleep very well last night because this little one was very, very scared. Aren't you, baby? You don't like the storm, do you? Better now, aren't you? Better now, look at those teeth. Look at those big teeth. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys soon. This isn't a very usual day, I feel like. I mean, I kind of nap a lot, but normally when I'm working, I work from 7:30 to about 5:30. But today I got home at 3. So yeah, anyway, see you guys soon. Okay. So tonight I kind of just took it easy. I am just watching some YouTube and just working out some stuff in my little book, planning some things out that I won't show you yet because they're secrets. So I was going to do double uploads starting in August until the end of the year, but I've decided to push it back until September, so do double uploads from September for the rest of the year because I need to pre-film some stuff. So yeah, I've decided that it makes the most sense to use this month, like not have this month be too hectic so that I can pre-film. So yeah, double uploads are going to start in September. I feel really bad about going back on my word, but I did say I was going to try, and I feel like now it just makes the most sense to do, yeah, to use this month as pre-filming month for my project, and then using and then starting double uploads next month. What I'm going to do is I'm going to combine today and tomorrow in this video because I want to show you like a day where I actually do some YouTube stuff, if you know what I mean. So today I was obviously at work, and then tonight I don't have to worry about filming. So tomorrow I'll probably get maybe like 4 or so videos done, so I'll show you that tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm gonna sign off for tonight. Usually I would film after work and stuff, but yeah, not tonight. So anyway, I will show you my day tomorrow as well, so you can see kind of how I fit everything into my schedule, I guess. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day now. So at 8:30 in the morning, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take this girl out so she can do a wee. Come here, baby. Look, up here. Look at the camera. Oh, what a good girl. So she'll run off and do her business. I won't show you that because that's a bit mean. Actually, don't think I have a coffee today. I've got this, like a half drink, I don't know. So I guess I'll finish that off. I'm gonna get straight into filming this morning because I don't have my video ready for today yet. So I'm gonna let Tilly do a wee. I'll probably do a wee, drink this, and then get straight into filming. I don't know if I told you the time, it's 8:30. Alright, so I'm in my studio now. So I'm gonna get ready to film. I'm gonna film a video. Show you when I'm done. I'll show you my makeup when I'm done. You can watch the video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I just filmed my first video for the day. It's 11 o'clock. I just took some photos and stuff. And now I'm gonna like shut down my studio, go inside, start editing this video because it needs to go up tonight. Not this one, the one I just filmed. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and I'll also have something to eat now as well. Okay, so it's probably been like 4 hours since I saw you guys last, so I haven't really updated today because I haven't honestly done too much. So after I filmed my video, I went and edited it and uploaded it, and then I honestly didn't do much. I just watched a bit of YouTube, had some lunch, I had a bit of a sleep. It's now 5 o'clock, so my video is about to go up, and I'm about to film another video. I'm going to film a skincare first impressions. I've got some cool new skincare to try out, so I'm going to go and film that. And then, yeah, I'm going to edit this video as well when this video is done. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to show you guys like how I manage the workload, I guess. I feel like these last 2 days haven't been a very good representation of how it usually is, because I just really haven't done much, honestly. I've kind of been a bit like unmotivated, but yeah, I feel like normally I pre-film and stuff a bit more, but I'm away, I'm at Sam's house tomorrow night, and then I'm working Saturday, so the skincare video I'm filming tonight will be for tomorrow, which is Friday, and then this video that you guys are watching now will be up on Saturday. And then when I come home Saturday, I'll film Sunday, film Monday, Tuesday, because that's when I'm off. So yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys have enjoyed like this video though. I know it kind of has been a bit all over the place, but yeah, I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not organised. I'm not very organised. Like, I don't have a crazy super planned out schedule. Sometimes I wish I did, but anyway, I'm gonna go film this skincare first impressions now. I'm really excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, I didn't end up filming my skincare video because I actually decided that I need to take a break from YouTube. So I'm gonna be taking a break for a little while. So this video I feel like has been like the worst representation of what my life is normally like. Normally I'm a lot busier than this and film a lot more, but anyway, I hope you guys still enjoyed hanging out with me for the last 2 days. This will be my last video, like my last video I guess before I go on break. I've also filmed like a going on a break video, but yeah, this will be like my last video until then, until I'm back. I think I said the 17th. Yeah, the 17th of August is when I'll be back. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!